walking in the countryside in the open air. They careful guide the flocks during the day. Together with the dogs, they walk along green pastures, watching over the sheep in every single place. Hey, 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 hey. With a deep connection to the land and its ways, shepherds know the rhythm of nights and days. Through sun and rain they remain strong and faithful. Their loyalty to their flock forever shines through. Shepherds of the countryside, custodians of the land, they live free and happy. Their voices resonate softly in the stillness of the hills. The bond between shepherds and sheep that always satisfies.